You remember slow motion shots?
Yeah.
What do we think कि अरे स्लो मोशन में इतना स्लो हो रहा है, 4 पोज मारूंगा, डिले कर दूंगा, हो जाएगा स्लो मोशन. दिस इज व्हाट वी थिंक, बट एक्चुअली स्लो मोशन इज मोर डिफिकल्ट देन नॉर्मल शॉट, बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू टाइम योर दिस थिंग. व्हेन यू हैव फास्ट एनिमेशन, पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू सी. You did not even see
See.
what is my in between.
Yeah.
When it comes to slow motion, you have to actually show like this. So this all poses you have to create, and very accurately
Mm.
when you do slow
Mm.
motion. That is how when you do floating also, these things should be visible. When you breathe,
Mm.
when you see my elbow is going up, then my hand is coming, then this. It's creating an arc. Slow. It will happen slow, but it
Mm.
will be more refined than the fast animation.